My name is Gabriel, I'm from Team Asparagus, and this is my area. First, you walk in and you see the key at the top of this rock, so you go and grab it. That key will be useful later in the level. Now you reach Devil's Base and you're in search of the Golden Sphinx. Once you reach this door, it automatically opens for you. Here, you grab this box with the gravenal and you take it with you so you can put it on the pressure plate that's right in front of the force field. These turrets right here will eventually shoot the player and target him. We had that working, but we had to remove it because the only way to get it working was by having the turrets in the hub, so we took them out. There you grab the invisibility clock, which in beta will add an actual invisibility module for the character, so these cameras will have vision cones, and if they see you, you are sent back to the last checkpoint. So here you would dodge them with the invisibility watch. Then you get to this area and you notice that at the top of this large structure there's a collectible. Here we'll add more interactivity as well in beta. We're gonna make these ramps so that the player himself has to build these ramps using the gravenal. We had actually done all of this before, but we were having problems where Unity was erasing all our work, so we decided to leave it for beta. After you're done getting that collectible, you make your way back through here. All of this will be textured, somewhat similar to what you see right at the beginning of the level, which is already somewhat textured. Like I said, these turrets will track the player wherever he moves and shoot him. After that, you go to this hallway on the left and you'll find a room full of water and some columns. Now here you have to jump on each column from column to column and reach the collectible at the end. As you see, you jump from one to the other, you grab the cash, and you come back around. This water is a damage module that'll send you back to the checkpoint if you fall in. There's a checkpoint right here at the stairs. Now you go back this way and you take the other hallway on the left, right here. You'll come up across a fire maze. Now here you have a set path on the floor and the player has to follow it so as to not get burned by the fire. That's what these damage volumes are. In beta, we plan on making the path less obvious. We're gonna make this real fire and we're gonna hide the pattern of the path somewhere in this room so the player has to look for it and then mimic it instead of just having it carved into the floor. It'll add more challenge to this area. After you're done with that, you come into this room and you see that the item you're looking for, the Golden Sphinx, is behind this force field. You use your gravenal, pull it apart, and you grab it. And you come down this way. Now that tunnel on the left is closed, but we will reopen it for beta. Now you come out down this way. And here's another area. The player notices that beyond that opening there is a car that could take him out of here, so he rips apart this force field and grabs the gas inside to use on the car. These turrets as well will track you and you have to avoid them using the invisibility clock, and you reach the car and that's the end of the level.